Hello again and welcome to our video. This video will be focusing on the diet of our beagle pup, which is Royal Canin. If you remember in first video when we were shopping for her all the stuff, we bought Royal Canin as advised by the kennel owners and the breeders. So because very good brand and very famous brand when it comes to dog nutrition and dog food. So what we are using in Kuku's or Beagle Pups diet is the first of the series, which is called the Mini Starter. Royal Canin Mini Starter is for small pups and for females who are pregnant and who are in gestation period. So it is specially designed for these two age groups and these two groups for proper nutrition, because a pregnant female and a dog, no, she needs more nutrition, everything. Especially same goes to the pup also. So if you see the packet, it is very like a 3 kg packet, which is available on Amazon and any dog store or any kennel like suppliers or anyone. Is quite easily available. It's not like that it's not available. And in the packet, if you go behind, there are two sections, which is like gives you a general idea of how much dosage or how much food is given, because this is like a textbook thing, but it can be like up and down, doesn't matter. So one is for gestation, this is for pregnant dogs, and this is for pups. It goes it is very self-explanatory when it goes to like 1 kg adult dog weight and like that. So Royal Canin Mini Starter is for pups from when they are away from their mother and they start on this diet. Generally we have put them on Cerelac for first 20 to 30 days, and after 30 days it goes on Mini Starter. So it is up to like 2 to 3 months. Text generally what packet says up to 2 months it should be given starter, and after 2 months you should switch to mini puppy, and after 10 months when they generally reach adult stage it goes to mini adult. But this 2 month is like not any hard and fast, but it can extend up to 3 months. What we are recommending, it's like 3 to 4 months you can give them this diet, Royal Canin Mini Starter. Or like if you have, like if you think like packet is still there, remaining or something, you can mix and use in diet. So we got a 3 kg packet giving like a 3 kg 3 months period dosage for our beagle pup. So when you look, this Royal Canin, the food, it comes in different shapes. Like this is a triangular shape. So these food, especially they come in different shapes, so that it aids in digestion of dog. So when you go to different breeds have different requirement when it comes to their nutrients and supplements. Like large breeds, they have generally joints and bone problems, so it will have more the calcium and other stuff. Small breeds, energetic ones, they will have more calories, which gives them more energy. So what we keep in is it comes in an airtight packet like this, and we also use an airtight container so that the smell is there, because it smells little different smell is there when you keep in the packet box. So the smell is contained, and even dog can also not sniff. If you keep packet like this, and sometimes it keeps open, little bit open also, it can be smelled by the dog, and generally dog tends to go to that place where the dog food is kept. So you have to little bit curtail the smell. And what now we will be giving you an overview how we feed our pup. So dosage or the weight requirement is 20 to 25 grams. No hard and fast, like some people say it should be exactly 25 grams or 20 grams, doesn't matter. If you feed them little bit less, then it is okay. You should never overfeed your dog. Like 20 to 25 grams 4 times a day we are giving to Kuku, but when she grows up, the diet goes increasing. So pro rata you can increase little bit, but make sure they get adequate exercise, they run around, and it's not like they are keep sitting in one place and and putting on weight. So little bit less is okay, but should not exceed the dosage. So rough idea is like if you hold for a pup up to 2 to 3 months, you can hold this food in your fist. So this much is enough for one time, and it goes to 4 times. So meal timing is morning. She's now quite used to it. from 8:30 to 9 first meal, from afternoon 1300 to 14 or 1 to 2 p.m. second meal, then 5 to 6 p.m. Third meal, and night time 10 to 11 is the last meal of the day, and it is purely Royal Canin starter. It is, you can add little bit extra things like a half boiled egg you can mash, then boiled potatoes or something, but it is not, we are not giving them, because if we are just a little bit apprehensive, if she loses the taste of the food and gets hooked on to another taste, then she will start refusing. So you can add, but it is up to you, but we are not advising like to add now. Little bit she grows up, when she gets different hang of different taste, and then you can little bit shift the this thing. So what is the procedure now is, like after, because they don't have teeth, full grown, they have still the teeth is growing, so they cannot bite, and this thing is quite hard. So you have to mix in little bit warm water, leave in 10 to 15 minutes. If you put cold water, it will go up to like 30 minutes. So little bit hot water, warm water, you leave for 10 minutes, then it soaks down. So what it looks like this basically. So it will look like a soaked thing. So it is quite soft now, and it can be easily chewed by her, and it can be easily digested by her. So it helps in digestion also. So it looks much because it has bloated. So it is generally now less than a fist this thing, but after putting hot water it looks quite wholesome. For a dog, and you can see when after putting hot water for some time, it has become quite soft, and she straightly goes and attacks the food, and she finishes up quite fast, because there is no crunching sound also, because they don't have much teeth now, and she is eating very nicely and peacefully. So other thing you should pay attention is, whenever a dog, especially in growing age, and pup is eating, you should always pat or little bit put human touch when she is eating, because she will get used to that thing. Whenever she is growing up or when she is grown up, she will not growl or feel threatened, or show you like feel threatened when someone comes close to her or him when she or he is eating a food. So always the human touch is advised. Throughout her eating time, we always pat on the back, so that she gets that touch, and she gets used to this touch throughout her life whenever she is eating the food, and she will not this thing. So you see she is eating quite nicely, and almost she has finished her food now, and she takes little bit break, that again she starts, and her ear it always goes. So see, she is not resisting me. Now I can also play with her a little bit while she is eating. You can put your hand also. She will not, even in future, she will not growl or you think like threatened whenever someone comes to the close, because it is very instinctive for dog to feel threatened or something when she or he is eating the food. So this is all about the food of a beagle pup, and this is our way of following. Every way has different way of following, and what we advise is purely on our starting experience of a beagle pup. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get the latest updates on Cuckoo. Thank you.